Good evening, everybody. This is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. I'm doing an unscheduled live presentation because today was a historic day. As a disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give opinion, share suggestion. It is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. So I see we have people coming on here. You can go ahead and type in the chat box who you are, where you're logging in from. Troy Barrett, what's going on? Carol Anderson. Justice, good evening, ¿cómo está? Marnita from Colorado. Shelly Hendricks Pearson. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Muy bueno. This is a very good day. Very, very, very good day. Number one, and you know what? I'll show share screen. Things are happening very quickly, very rapidly, and we must pay attention. Today, the crypto market cap went over 3 trillion. It has since dipped to 2.95 trillion. Bitcoin had reached an all-time high. It has since dipped to 64,000. Now, I'm going to be doing a crypto talk in the morning, and I'm going to look at these numbers. That's going to let me know about what I'm going to do. If you saw my crypto talk this morning, it was today, Wednesday. I did it for the public, yeah, where I talked about my plans, depending on which direction the market moves into. We are in a slight correction, which is to be expected after Bitcoin and Ethereum hit all-time highs today. But that's not what this late night crypto talk is all about. It is about a token called IMC. IMC token. Just got listed on a third exchange, and that exchange is called the LBank exchange. Now, why am I excited about it? If you can see my screen here, the IMC token is being sold right now for 54 cents. Now, I see as the market is correcting itself, all coins correct too. So now we're dropping. Now it's at 53 cents. It was at 24, 25 cents just about an hour ago. So we're seeing live here a market-wide correction. What Bitcoin does, all coins follow suit. So as you're starting to see all coins dip down, that includes IMC. Now, why that is also significant and exciting is because the opposite is true as well. As Bitcoin rises up, so does IMC. So we're seeing a big dip on Bitcoin, Ethereum. But anyways, in the last, from right now, 24 hours, IMC is up 20%. 20%. I've been talking about this token since August. And I said it back then, July. You need to get as many tokens as possible. I'm going to do a quick dream mode with you right now, okay? I'm going to do a quick dream mode. The sweet spot is about 50,000 tokens. That's the sweet spot. But if you were to get 50,000 tokens right now, at the price it is right now, at 54 cents, no, I did that wrong. 50,000 tokens at 54 cents. That will cost you $27,000. $27,000 to get them at this price. So let's say you had $27,000. You got 50,000 tokens. I believe, and again, this is not IMC taking anything. I'm not speaking on behalf of the company. I'm not speaking on behalf of me being their crypto trainer. I'm speaking from me just looking at the freaking market and the charts and projecting in the future. I believe that one day this will be worth at least $50. This is just my opinion. So if you've got 50,000 tokens, you spent $27,000 on times $50, that's 2.5 million. Now that might go over the head for some of you guys because you might say, well, Brandon, I don't have $27,000. What if I have $5,000? Can I use that number? Let's use you've got $5,000 and you were to get tokens at today's price at 54 cents, this is to the public, you would have 9,259 tokens. And then one day it goes to 50 bucks. That's still $462,000 from 50,000 tokens right now. But it will cost, I'm sorry, for 5,000 tokens right now. $5,000 worth of tokens. 5,000. And this is open market price. But I got some good news for you, because the opportunity is still great at this price. But what if I told you can get this for much cheaper? What if I told you can get it for 39 cents? How? Because the marketing arm of the exchange, where IMC is the native token of, was given 120 million tokens in a pre-sale. They're selling about 3 million of these tokens every week. And right now it is worth 39 cents. Every 3 million tokens sold, it goes up a penny. So would you rather get the token at 53 cents right now or 39 cents? Let me show you the difference. Let me show you the difference. I show you when it was at this high. Let's do that math again. Let's say you've got $5,000 and you get it at 39 cents. You don't have 9,000 tokens. You have 12,800 tokens. It hits $50 a token. That's 641,000. That's a $200,000 gain. Are you serious? I actually have somebody pretending to be me on my own post. All right, let me ban this clown, and I'm going to have to change my picture yet again. Let me ban this clown. Ban, block, and then delete. I will not ask for any Bitcoin deposits and be putting out any Bitcoin wallets publicly. So if you get anything that has my name attached to it and it looks like my picture, there's one easy way to tell if it's me without even contacting me. Click on their link and it will take you to the page. And when you see zero activity, you know it ain't me. All right. You know it's not me. Bold, very, very bold. All right. So my point is, there's a difference between getting it at 39 cents and at 54 cents. But what if you reach the goal that I wanted, 50,000 tokens? Instead of paying 27,000 for that, at 39 cents, it will cost 19,500 right now if you were to get it for 39 cents. So how many tokens is it? $19,500, 50,000 tokens. What happens if it goes to 50? Again, I'll show you again, $50 a token, 2.5 million. Get in where you fit in. Let's say you only had $500, okay? 500 at 39 cents. You have 1,282 tokens. It goes to $50 a token. Your $500 just grew to 64,000. Let's say you only have $100 right now. Because get in where you fit in, get in where you can. Don't just sit back and watch. You have $100 at 39 cents. You have 256 tokens. It goes to $50. Your $100 just grew to 12,000. Didn't I just block this guy? How in the world are they coming back? Okay. Now, are they that fast in creating another account? Good grief. All right. You just flipped $100 into $12,820. Again, there's no guarantee that this is going to happen. Do you want to know the real number that I'm looking at? Because I'm not looking at, you've heard me give numbers before. I talked about $5 or $8. But the real number that I'm looking at is nowhere close to this. It's the number that the owners of WCL and IM Exchange are looking at in their head that they will never admit to publicly. Now, I'm not saying that they're going to say this. I'm just saying, as an outsider looking in, looking at the entire industry, looking at what happened with other exchanges and tokens, the reason why they're able to pay more than 70% out on their affiliate program, because that's not where they're making their money. All right. I'm giving you guys just a little inside look on things, not from what they told me, from what I figured out. I've never done this before, but I'm going to show you the number, the long-term number. All right. What if, and this is a what if it hits this number here? I'm not even going to say it out loud. You can read the screen. See that on the screen? What if? But I'm not finished yet. I'm not even going to say this number out loud. Just read the screen. What if it goes to this number? Ready for this? I'm going to scare you with that. Let's go back to that $100 range. $100 at 39 get you 256 tokens. $100, and it gets to this number. First, I said this one. Look at what your $100 grew to. Now I'm going to give you another one. 256. That number. Are you seeing this? That number. Is that possible? You ever heard of an exchange called BNB? What is the price of it right now? $617. I had a chance to get this when it was 60 cents. $617. I'm undercutting this. But it is the largest exchange in the world, but it didn't start that way. So what if it hits this number? Your $100 is screwed to this. Not tomorrow, not next year. For it to hit this number right here, you see this market cap? This number needs to be close to or in between the 8 to $10 trillion range. Maybe a little bit higher. Maybe. It hit the $3 trillion range today. So you've got something to look at, to measure on when, because I'm not selling a doggone token at all. I'm looking long term. Now, is it possible that this does not happen? Absolutely. Absolutely. But what if it fails by 90%? If it fails by 90%, so if this is the ultimate target and it fails by 90%, we got to go with $50. So your 256 tokens times 50, that's still $100 flipped it to 12,800. The question is, are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? I am. So get in where you fit in. I can't tell you what to do. I can tell you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And you decide if that's something for you. This is not fake. This is real. Projected to be on another exchange by the end of this month, which will make it 4 exchanges. With a marketing budget of $5 to, well, how much was that a day? $5,000 to $10,000 a day marketing budget. Binance didn't have that. Bitcoin didn't have that. Ethereum didn't have that. None of them have that. But I am seeing a trend that's happening right now live while I'm speaking. So I'm curious at what this is going to be when I wake up in the morning, what the price of Bitcoin is going to be. Because the whole market is on a downward slide right now. How low will this go? Where's the new support line? Bitcoin goes down, they all go down with it at the same time. Shiba Inu is down 7%. I want to look at the 24 hours. Let me look at the last hour right now. So Shiba Inu was up 3% the last hour. Tezos, Curve, Airweave, OMG, Live Peer. That's what I like to see. We talked about that this morning. Sandbox, I like to see that. Wonderland. I don't think I wrote. I didn't write Wonderland down. No, I did not. And before I dismiss, I will briefly, I haven't talked to these guys yet, a token that's on my radar, Wakanda. This is on my radar. I may speak more about this tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I might speak more on this tomorrow, but I like this bounce that's happening. It just launched a couple of days ago. And this is what I call a very, very successful launch to still see it doing this. This ain't no pump and dump. Anyways, that is it for my late night crypto talk. I hope you learned something new. As always, that is the point. As you can tell, I'm very excited. I'm watching the market very closely. We're going to be seeing historic things over the next couple of weeks. The question is, are you going to participate or watch? And if you're looking for ways, if you say, well, Brandon, man, I'm dead broke, I don't have any money to do anything, that is also no longer an excuse. You see, I got started with $30, August 30th, 2017. Tracy, you look in your back office lately? Crazy, you sit in such a freaking good position. You got bonus money sitting there waiting for you. But not having money is no longer an excuse that you can use, because if you can earn it, that's what I do. I earn my way. You know, those 50,000 plus tokens I have for IMC, I didn't come out of pocket. Well, technically, yeah, I bought the $1,000 pack of IMC tokens. I did that. The rest, I think I spent 16K. The rest, I earned. I took the money I earned and I upgraded my packages to get to 50. And I did it live the other day. I bought $3,000 more of IMC. What was that, Sunday? Saturday or Sunday? I forget which day. I did it this past weekend to get over that 50,000, my personal goal. And I'm just going to sit on it. So with that, guys, all I can do is spread the word. As a disclaimer, again, I'm not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. It is up to you to make your own intelligent decision. All I can do is open the door. Take care, everybody. I will be back tomorrow morning. It's Thursday. Crypto talk for the iLearning crypto community at what time? 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific. Oh yeah, right after I drop off my kid at school, I'll be doing that for the iLearning community. I'm also doing a presentation for the iLearning community tomorrow night as well. And then Saturday is a big presentation for IMC, WCL. So get back with whoever invited you to see this. They'll get you that information to get you plugged in. With that, take care, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye-bye.